My Harbor Freight bandsaw has needed some adjustments which I show in other videos, but this time I'll modify the stock clamp to allow 3-inch wide material to be cut at 45 degrees. Close, but can't quite do 45 degrees. Notice the gap at the corner. I'll start by removing the clamping jaw. This is the edge I'm going to file on. Looks like the bottom of the slot is narrower than the top. I filed about 2 millimeters of the material away, but could have removed a little more if needed. A round file was used on the ends of the slot. Next, the bolt is marked where it passes through the clamp. I'm going to carefully grind off the threads between the head of the bolt and the mark that was made, while being careful not to cut beyond the minor diameter of the threads. The grinder and the clamping pliers are braced against the table for stability. Periodically dipping the bolt in water prevents it from overheating and losing its heat treatment. The grinder isn't very precise, so I used the file to finish. Looks good enough to me. I still kind of see the threads, so it should be just as strong as it was before grinding. Only about 3 to 4 millimeters of extra clamp capacity, but that should be enough. A little paint to slow the rust down. After some lubrication, the clamp is reinstalled. Now let's test the max cut angle for this 3-inch wide stock. I can cut a little past 45 degrees now. Not much though. I'm happy. Using these tools every time the clamp angle needs changed is time consuming. In the next video I'm going to address this with another modification. Thanks for watching.